day 4. We are beginning our portage back to Trout Lake from Gavia. Unloading the boat. This is one of the shorter portages, and like an 1/8 of a mile. Right, nice, high, dry. The next one is not. Neither. It is neither of those things. High, dry. Neither is it short.
Nope. This is like no bugs.
This is a really nice one.
The other one?
Seriously.
Hey.
I want to paddle. Alright. Over there towards the fire. There we go. That'll help me to turn around and carry it backwards anyway. Yeah, just forward a bit so it's not in our way. Great.
There are a few routes on this trail, clearly. Just watch your step. Watch your step. Unless you have a pack on front, then just walk carefully. Dad? Good luck. Going to the end of the portage here. It's always a wonderful feeling when you can see the lake ahead. It's a beautiful one. And we're back for trip 2. This was quite the sight to see on our way here. My favorite lake. It's beautiful. Pup on land. She was in the boat, but we decided she should go while she can. So she is having a blast, just jumping through the watery bits. Good dog, good dog. As we paddle along beside her. Good dog. Come on, pup. Come on. Oh yeah. Good dog. Good dog.
That's a proper sled dog right there. Good dog.
Good dog. We're all geared up, including Taz, because this is the long half mile. So you get to carry your own stuff, kid. We're all loaded up, ready to take on the journey. This one is buggy, and it's got quite a few boardwalks. So we are getting ourselves mentally and physically prepared for that. All right, come on, pup. Let's go. The floor on this trail is, the footing here, pretty great throughout the entire stretch. There's boardwalks and then some just dry ground, unless it's rainy, of course. There's a few muddy spots, but they're really short and not really even noticeable. We're just approaching the lake. Dad, what lake is this? Spruce? Is this Spruce Lake? I think it's Spruce Lake. Anyway, I'm pretty sure this is the one with the water crossing. So we'll see how that goes with Taz. Gotta get moving on this trail. Stop to what? Oh, bear spray. Gotta get moving because there's bugs everywhere. Second load. We're on our way back. Ooh. Paddle. Got the paddle. Plan sit down. Okay. The plan is, what? Yeah. Yep. Okay. So the plan, what? Yep. The plan is that we're gonna try to go all the way home today. Knock on wood. We'll see if we can actually accomplish that goal, but that is the plan. So, alright, all loaded up. This put in right here is a little challenging, just like the Konchanee. It has quite the drop off here and it's super deep. Well, not super deep, but it is boot topping deep right here and wicked muddy. Buggy. Come on. All the way in. Sit down. Here. Alright. Here we go. We are now on Martin Lake, heading up to Contact. We let Taz out to run because she did not like that watery section. We got about halfway through and then she started wigging out, which is better than last time, but still not great. Yeah. Good dog. Yep, headed up to Contact, then lakes 3, 2, and 1. So, I think we should achieve our goal.
Good dog.
Good dog. All right, this is the Martin to Contact portage. It's an okay portage. The trail is pretty good. Not as buggy as the last one, but it's got a lot of roots and stuff and mud in some places. But overall, it's in pretty good shape. Wouldn't you say? Down there.
So good. Makes sense. Alright. Up and over. Up. Underneath. Well worth it. The portage between Contact and Lake number 3, Canoe Lake number 3. So we are at the lake at the moment and getting ready to load up. This portage is it's pretty special. There's a lot of bugs. That's probably the worst part about it. And that's definitely the worst part about it. There's a lot of bugs. It just rained, like a downpour on us, and now it stops. Even more so. All right, so we're about to load up and head on to Canoe Lake 2. All right, this is Canoe Lake 3 to Canoe Lake 2 portage. If I remember correctly, it got the paddle again. Speaking of remembering, it's pretty bushy, but bugs aren't nearly as bad as the other places. So come on, Taz. Let's go. Although the boardwalks are kind of seesaw-ish in some places,
It's a pretty good portage. Only, I think, an 1/8 of a mile. This is probably the, that hit me in the back. This is probably the worst part of the portage. There's a bunch of roots. So, but the roots are big, so you should be able to avoid them easily. We are now on Canoe Lake 2, just off of the portage. This is the largest of the canoe lakes, 1, 2, and 3. We are heading to the next portage. I retract my statement about this being the largest lake and that the last portage was an 1/8. It was a quarter minus, so a little bit less than a quarter mile. And then this lake is definitely not the largest lake. The Canoe Lake 1 is the largest.
Final carry of the double carry of the portages, technically, right?
Yeah.
Other than the put-in portage, which somehow doesn't count in our minds.
Oh, this counts. But it's really short.
So temperature's great. We had this big old downpour, which kind of stayed in our sun clothing for that part. I don't know, whatever. I stayed in our clothing for that, and then determined, okay, we should probably put rain jackets on. A little bit of a sweatsuit factor, but it's cool enough that it actually works pretty well. And considering how many bugs we've got going on, rain jackets actually are not too bad. Help to seal in the, oh, look at this. She's got no bug net on at all. Look. What? Wait, look at me. A little actual face rather than a net. Hey, it's a net.
Hi, I'm Annette.
All right, last load.
And that's my load.
Food kit. Is that the right one? Yeah, food kit. Yeah, I carried the food kit. Dadgummit.
It's the heavier one. Alright. Who am I kidding? This is like feathers. Okay, not feathers. As if it up. Ready for the last lake. It's been quite the adventure. Right, bud? Right?
Yes, so good.
Bittersweet moment here. Alright, well, we gotta get going. We are here at the put-in. But, whoa, I saw that flash. And based on the clouds and the lightning and the thunder, it's time to get out.
Time to go.
Alright. Here comes the truck. Oh yeah. Love that sound. Diesel truck mixed with thunder. That's a mix. back in the car. Warm, dry, no mosquitoes. Living up. Yep. What'd you do, Dad? What'd you do?
This.
Oh, the unboxing. Oh.